In the deep, silent expanse of space, far beyond our moon, a magnificent creation of human ingenuity drifts patiently. It is called the James Webb Space Telescope. For months it has floated in the cold darkness, a solitary guardian of our curiosity. Here, a million miles from the hustle and bustle of our world, it maintains its lonely vigil. It waits for commands sent across the void, instructions to turn its golden eye towards the deepest, most ancient corners of the universe. The silence out here is absolute, broken only by the faint hum of its own machinery. A quiet testament to the dreams of a small blue planet looking up at the stars and wondering, what else is out there? This is a place of profound stillness. The James Webb Space Telescope is more than just a powerful camera. It is in essence a time machine. Its primary mission is to look back, further back than we have ever been able to see before, to the very infancy of the universe. It was designed to witness the cosmic dawn, the moment when the very first stars ignited and galaxies began to form from the primordial darkness that followed the Big Bang. To do this, it must capture light that has been traveling for over 13 billion years. This light is ancient, stretched and weakened by its immense journey, and Webb is the only instrument we have ever built that is sensitive enough to catch it. Its power lies in its magnificent primary mirror. Composed of 18 hexagonal segments, each coated in an impossibly thin layer of pure gold, the mirror works as one giant light-collecting bucket. These segments were folded up like origami to fit inside the rocket, and then, in a delicate week-long procedure, they unfolded and aligned themselves with microscopic precision. Behind the mirror and the sun shield, the telescope's instruments are its heart. The object of Webb's attention today, it is a particularly enigmatic one. It is known to astronomers simply as 31 Atlas. This is not a star. This is not a galaxy. This is not a nebula in the traditional sense. It is what is known as a rogue interstellar object, a wanderer cast out from its home solar system. Drifting alone through the vast, empty spaces between the stars, it was first detected as a faint, fast-moving smudge by the Atlas Sky Survey. The 31 simply marks it as the 31st such significant object catalogued by the survey. By tracking its trajectory, astronomers have calculated that it does not belong to our solar system. It has come from somewhere else entirely. It has been travelling for perhaps millions of years. The process of capturing the image of 31 Atlas, it was a slow and deliberate ballet of technology and patience. It began not with a camera shutter, but with a calculation. These coordinates were transmitted across 1 million miles of space to the Webb telescope. Gyroscopes, guidance systems. Webb slowly pivoted its massive structure, turning its golden eye toward the empty patch of blackness where the interstellar visitor was predicted to be. This is incredibly difficult. It's like trying to photograph a specific firefly in a distant field at night from a moving car. The telescope's fine guidance sensor locked onto nearby guide stars, and for many hours Webb stared. It collects photons, one by one. Each photon is a messenger from a bygone era. The raw data was bundled up and beamed back to Earth. What NASA has now revealed is honestly just breathtaking. It is a single frame, yet it contains a universe of meaning. The image shows the dark, oblong shape of 31 Atlas, not a smudge but a defined object. It hangs in the foreground, a silent, tumbling traveller against a backdrop of impossibly distant, jewel-like galaxies. For the first time, we can actually see details on its surface. Not smooth and uniform, but a composite of different materials. The most astonishing feature is what surrounds it, a faint ethereal glow, a coma, a tenuous atmosphere of gas and dust sublimating from the surface. This is the definitive sign that 31 Atlas is a comet. The coma's detail enables spectroscopic analysis. Are the gases familiar, water, carbon dioxide, methane, or something unexpected? The image is more than a portrait. It's a scientific treasure map. The confirmation of 31 Atlas as an interstellar comet. It is a discovery with profound implications. It provides the first direct evidence that the building blocks of solar systems are likely similar across the galaxy. Comets in our solar system are time capsules from formation. They likely seeded early Earth with water and organic compounds. Seeing a comet from another star system suggests these ingredients and delivery mechanisms may be common. It is a triumph of engineering and international collaboration. Thousands of scientists, engineers and technicians made this possible. This success will embolden us to push boundaries, design new missions, and perhaps even visit these messengers in the future. But the most immediate meaning is perspective. An image like this forces us to lift our gaze and contemplate the scale and age of the universe. The recipe for life might be scattered widely among the stars. Finding life anywhere feels less like science fiction and more like an eventual scientific discovery. We are witnessing the extension of our senses into the cosmos. Since the dawn of our species, we have looked up at the night sky and asked fundamental questions. Who are we? Where did we come from? Are we alone? These questions are woven into our myths, our religions, our art, and our science. The Webb telescope stands on the shoulders of giants. It is the physical manifestation of our collective desire to pull back the cosmic curtain. This discovery does not provide all the answers. It will likely lead to even more questions. It will inspire a new generation of scientists in chemistry, physics and astronomy. An answer is never an end point. It is a doorway to deeper questions. The quest is what matters. This is a journey that belongs to all of us, scientists and anyone who has looked up with wonder. It is a puzzle we can slowly piece together. The universe has shared another one of its secrets with us today. The image of the interstellar comet 31, Atlas, is a gift, a dispatch from a distant star system delivered to our doorstep. This is not the end of the story, but merely the beginning of a new and exciting chapter. The James Webb Space Telescope will continue its silent watch, turning its golden eye to other wonders hidden in the deep. There is so much more to see, so much more to learn. Every day, new information streams back to Earth. Webb is already moving on to its next target. By following along, you become a part of that story, a participant in one of the greatest quests humanity has ever undertaken. Please like and subscribe to Cosmic Discover. Thank you for watching.